Hi everyone, I'm Angie Underwood, the founder of Pubbla.
Pubbla is a complete online ecosystem for independent authors and book publishing professionals. The book industry is big business and getting bigger. Independent publishing has seen continued growth each year, and in 2017 finally topped 1 million titles in the United States alone. Problem number 1, self-publishing can be a messy and frustrating process. Many authors write amazing books, but don't know where to turn when it comes to editing, designing, or marketing. They want the same access to professional resources as their traditionally published counterparts, without a binding contract. Problem number 2, publishing professionals have a difficult time standing out from a saturated freelance market full of lesser talent. They want a way to rise above the mediocrity and connect directly with authors willing to invest for the best service. Pubbla has 3 main components. Number 1, a platform for connecting authors to talent. Number 2, a design app for creating covers, social media posts, and marketing pieces. And number 3, a resource of tools and education. Our Concierge Platform is a network of screened talent. Every professional on our platform is carefully screened, so to provide only the best talent for our authors. Free to join, Pubbla charges a 10% commission on every service transaction. Our web application is for the do-it-yourselfers who want to design their own covers and marketing. Our app is available in both free and premium versions and offers a way for artists to create templates for our gallery to earn a commission. Finally, Pubbla is a repository of tools and valuable educational resources that we will continually be adding to. At Pubbla, our goal is to be the best online, one-stop, self-publishing resource.
My partner Steve and I would like to take this time to thank all of you for your interest in our venture.